So anyways, that is my thinking these days on emotes. How will it be used? And in what situations is it likely to? Is it something you guys are just going to have fun with and spam? Is it something that I am going to, like, situations? Are there situations that I will set up that encourage the use of it? Is it like you guys reacting to me with it? Or is it something that I like might get use in other sort of places? And that's kind of like the 4 different things. For example, if you have like a heart emote, like that can be sort of like someone did something, guys, post those hearts in chat. That absolutely works. For me, the puns emote I had was like every time I did a pun, I wanted to encourage that. And anytime someone said a pun, I wanted to encourage more puns by spamming that emote. The felled facepalm is fantastic for whenever I say something dumb that makes you guys just go. So the problem that I've actually had with both the bits emotes, that literally exist because I had the artwork, because my sister submitted it for me. Because I had the artwork, I used it there. But there's no real point to use either of these. Like the music might be cool if I was jamming out to some really cool music, but I don't play music on the stream anymore. It's also the same reason why I dropped the like well-dressed hippo emote, because there was never really a point to get it used. It only ever showed up in like the barrage of Twitch emotes that I sometimes did. And yeah, so like these 3 have uses. The felled boom is just like for the like, boom, yeah, we got there. For whatever sort of things that we want to come up with. The facepalm is because I say things that absolutely deserve a facepalm. And sometimes you guys say things that absolutely deserve a facepalm. And the felled is for those just like sort of moments. Yeah, the hype gets used a little bit, but not that much. And particularly because of this guy here that gets used in chat, the hype doesn't really get used. Do a mohawk feldy emote. Felled mohawk? I don't know. What scenario would come up in chat that would make you want to like mohawk feldy? And that's actually like a legitimate exercise. I'm not just saying like, tell me how you would use my emote, but like think with your own emotes that you are submitting also. How are they going to be used? When are they going to be used? When are you as a streamer likely to do things that cause those things to be used? Or when are you going to like incite their use? If you can come up with like an actual place that it's likely to be used, it might be a useful emote. But if you're just like, yeah, it would be a silly thing to have, well, I don't have enough emote slots to have a couple things for silliness. If I get to the future, maybe I totally do. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to check out another video about emotes, how about you check out this one up here where I talk about the emote approval process and why there's a human added element that adds extra time on over on Twitch. Alternately, you can go ahead and check out my Twitch stream. You can find a link to that below where we can talk about a wide variety of different topics related to streaming. If you got any questions about this is a great opportunity to ask them live and have your questions answered on the spot. All right, my name is Aaron Feldy. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the next video.